Kicha, I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today my sister is coming from New York and she'll be really tired. So I wanted to make her something really special for dinner. And I thought. Then I found out that one of her favorites is Egg Dum Biryani. Today I'm going to make Egg Dum Biryani for her. So let's get started. Add ghee. Now let the ghee heat. Let's add sliced onions. Saute until it's lightly brown. Now let's add crushed ginger garlic. If you want, you can use ginger garlic paste, but I like crushed ginger garlic. Let's add crushed green chili. Cook until the raw smell goes. It's done. Tomatoes. Cook it until the tomatoes are soft. Now it's the powder section. First we have biryani masala powder. And salt. Mix for a few seconds. Okay. Let's add the cashew nut paste. It gives the masala a very rich flavor. Cook for a couple of seconds. Now I'm going to move the masala to the side. And then I'm going to pour the lightly beaten eggs. I've added salt to it. Okay, and scrambled it. Now let's mix the whole thing together. Now it's time for the mint leaves and the coriander leaves. Add them. Now I'm going to be adding boiled eggs. I put a small cut into them. You can see them here. This one looks bigger. One. And now lightly mix. Really lightly, you don't want the eggs to break. Put the lid on and cook it in low for 5 minutes. I cooked the masala for 5 minutes and now let's move on to the rice. First open the pressure cooker. Add ghee. It's a little slippery. Let it heat. Now it's heated. Next, add whole spices. I'm using mace, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. Next, let's add the main ingredient, rice. You can use any biryani rice I'm using kaima. I washed and drained the rice. Fry in low heat for few minutes. It has been few minutes. Let's add the hot water. I'll mix a little bit. Add salt and lime juice. The lime juice prevents the rice from sticking together. Now, cook it for 2 whistles. Now, 2 whistles. 2! Switch off and let's wait until the pressure goes. And let's prepare for the layering and the dum. Let's layer the rice and the masala. Take a bowl with a tight lid. I'm using this one. First, add half of the masala into the what's called bowl. Now add the rice. Sprinkle fried onions, fried cashew nuts and raisins, they're checked, and chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Let's add the rest of the masala. Now for the final layer of rice, fill it onto the top. For the final garnishing, fried onions, fried raisins and cashew nuts. Next add chopped coriander and mint leaves. Close the lid, and I'm going to do the dum in the new and innovative way. Welcome to the microwave generation. And this technically it means modern way. I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes. It's a 700 watt power. Microwave it for 15 minutes. Bum diggy diggy. Bum. Alexa, play Bum Diggy Diggy Bum Bum.
Here's Bum Diggy Diggy by Zack Knight and Jasmine Valia on Amazon Music.
I microwaved it for 15 minutes. Let's see how it turned out. But my sister has to come because I know she loves this and I love it too. So we both are going to share this together. So thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. And don't forget to hit that bell right down there. Thank you for watching KichaTube HD.